In this video, we will show you how to replace your transmission input shaft speed sensor on this Honda Accord. This will be located along the backside of your transmission. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To gain access to that sensor, we'll make our way right down along the backside of the engine on the driver's side. Now looking back here, we're looking for the electrical connector on the sensor. Reach in, take hold of that little electrical connector, squeeze on the locking tab, and pull that out of place. Once you've done so, go ahead and give it a quick inspection for corrosion. Assuming that looks good, set the wiring harness aside. Now to remove that sensor, we'll be removing one 10mm headed mounting bolt. There's that bolt. We'll give it a quick inspection and we can set that aside. We will be reusing it. Take hold of the sensor, give it a little twist, and remove it from the transmission. If it feels like it's stuck in place, that's typically because of the O-ring gasket. Just go ahead and gently pry it out of place, being careful not to break off the sensor into the transmission. Just a little wiggle. Slide that right out of the transmission. There we are. And there it is, friend. Now the next thing we want to do is clean and inspect the hole on the transmission. Just give it a quick wipe with a rag. We'll make sure there's no dirt, debris, or anything the like. This looks fine. Let's move along. Let's get ready to install that brand new sensor. It's a good idea to add a little bit of brand new oil to that O-ring. Once you've done so, slide it into place. Align your mounting bolt hole and start in that mounting bolt. Snug it up and then torque it to 115 inch-pounds. There we are. Reconnect your electrical connector. Got a nice click from that one. We'll give it a tug to make sure it's secure. Okay friend, we fully installed our input shaft speed sensor on our vehicle. At this point, you want to start it up, make sure you don't have a check engine light, and then take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.